Hello, it's an amazing time in another math class. This is Learning Base Africa Mental Math class. You are all welcome to class. If you can hear me, type 100 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 100 in the comment section. Thanks for typing. Wow, amazing. I like this class because my students are always very active. Now, in the previous class, we learned how to multiply two-digit numbers that end with 1. We learned how to multiply two-digit numbers that end with 1 in our head. So let's do a quick revision of what was learned. A quick revision of what was learned. So we learned something like this: 21 times 31. Okay, we also learned 41 times 21. And another one like this: 71 times 41. 61. All right, so let's do this together. Let's do this together. Very simple. Now, the first one is 21 times 31. That means multiply one by one and write your answer down. Now, for the next set of digits, you're going to add 2 and 3 together. The first thing you need to do is to add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then also multiply them by each other. 2 times 3 is 6. So that is the answer. 21 times 31 is equal to 651. You can do this in your head. All right. Now let's move on to number 2. We're only doing a quick revision of what we learned. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we are to add this together. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 4 times 2 is 8. So 41 times 21 is equal to 861. This is the next one. 1 times 1 is 1, okay? 7 plus 4. The first thing we do is to add up. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1, carry 1 over. Write 1, then you carry 1 over. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 1, that is 29. So the answer is 2,911. 2,911. So let's do the fourth one. 61 times 91. 1 times 1, that is 1. Then let's add 6 and 9 together. 6 plus 9 will give us 15. Write 5, carry 1 over. Then 6 times 9. Okay, what we did was to add 6 and 9 together. 6 plus 9 gives 15. 5, carry 1 over. We wrote 5 and we carried 1 over. Then let's multiply 6 by 9. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus the 1 that was carried, that is 55. So 61 times 69, 61 times 91 is equal to 5,551. 5,551. So this was what we learned in the previous class. Also, in the previous class, we learned odd and even numbers, how to multiply odd and even numbers by 5. But I just want to call your attention to odd and even numbers. Anytime you see a number ending with either 1 or 5 or 7 or called odd numbers. When any number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or you call such number odd numbers. When any number ends with 0, 2, 4, or 6, or 8, we call such number even numbers. Okay, any number that ends with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, such number is called an even number. So we learned that anytime we are multiplying an odd number by 5, we are to take 1 away from the number. The number that is being multiplied by 5 is 33. Take 1 away. When you take 1 away, you're left with 32. All right? Then divide by 2. Divide that 32 by 2. You will have 16. Then write 5 beside your answer. Write 5 beside your answer. So that would be 165. So 33 times 5 is equal to 165. That is multiplying odd numbers by 5. Another example to multiplying odd numbers by 5, if you have 79 times 5. 79 is an odd number because it ends with 9. So the first thing you want to do is to take 1 away from 79. That will give us 78, okay? Then divide 78 by 2. That will give us 39, all right? Then write 5 beside 39, and that will give us 395. So 79 times 5 is equal to 395. You can see how I did it. I didn't use my pen on my book. I'm only showing you on the screen. And I did not use a calculator to achieve this answer. I just did the calculation in my head, learning the mental math strategy that Mrs. Adeolu at Learning Base Africa has taught us, right? So for those who do not know my name is Mrs. Adeolu Grace. I'm a math catalyst at Learning Base Africa. All right, so now let's move on. How to multiply even numbers by 5 without using a calculator. 52 is an even number, so let's multiply by 5. So what is the rule? The rule is just divide that number by 2. Okay, divide by 2, then write 0 beside it. Write 0 beside the answer. Divide 52 by 2 and write 0 beside the answer. So when you divide 52 by 2, we will have 26. Then write 0 beside it. That makes it 260. So 52 times 5 is equal to 260. Type 260 in the comment section if you have not done so. Type 260 in the comment section. I have special stars to give to an exceptional student tonight. Yes, 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 yes. All right, so let's continue. Number 4, multiplying even numbers by 5. Let's multiply 98 by 5. 98 is an even number. So the first thing we want to do is to divide by 2, all right? Then we will write divide 98 by 2, 9. Then let's write 0 beside it, that's 190. So 98 times 5 is equal to 490. Now, let's quickly learn a new mental math concept for students who are new to learning Base Africa. I know my regular students already know this. I know they already know this, but let's learn it again. So let's multiply two-digit numbers by 11. Let's learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by 11 without using a calculator. I know others are excited, right? So how do we multiply two-digit numbers by 11? Type in the comment section, I am ready. Okay, so look at this example. This is 72 times 11. Whenever you want to multiply two-digit numbers like this by 11, write down the first digit and the second digit with a space in between, all right? Separate the first and the last digits, not the first and second. Write down the first and the last digit, separate them, give space in between the two digits, then add them together. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Write 9 in between. So the answer is 792. 72 times 11 is equal to 792. 72 times 11 is equal to 792. Now look at another example. 53 times 11. Write down the first digit and the last digit, all right? Then add the two digits together. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Write 8 at the middle. Write 8 at the middle. So that will give us 583. 53 times 11 is equal to 583. Awesome. This is another one. What is 61 times 11? Write 6 and 1 with a space in between, then add them together. That is 671. So anytime somebody asks you to multiply any two-digit number by 11, you should be able to say the answer very fast, as long as you can add. As long as you can add 7 plus 5, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 7, and you can say the answer fast, then you should be able to give the answer to multiplication of two-digit numbers by 11. Now type in the comment section, go higher. Let's go higher. Type in the comment section, go higher. We are going higher. Type go higher. Amazing. So now, how do we multiply 38 by 11? 38 times 11. So give a space in between 3 and 8. Then add the two numbers together. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now, you're not going to write 11 at the middle. You will write only 1, then carry 1 over. All right? Now, add the 1 that you carried over to 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is equal to 418. The answer is equal to 418. Don't forget that I have a mental math challenge that will make you have 20 stars tonight. So make sure you pay attention. Listen to me alone. Do not respond to anyone in the comment section. Now the next one. What is 49 times 11? We're going to separate 4 and 9. That is, give a space in between 4 and 9. Then let's add 4 and 9 together. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Let's write 3 at the middle and carry 1 over. Don't forget that I am not writing 13 at the middle. Write only 3 and carry 1 over. All right, so that will be equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. So the answer is 539. Everybody type 539 in the comment section. Let's look at the next one. What is 85 times 11? 85 times 11. Let's give a space in between 8 and 5. Then let's add 8 and 5 together. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we'll write down 3 and carry 1 over. So that will be equal to 1 plus 8 is 9. Then you have 3 times 11 is equal to 905. 85 times 11 is equal to 935. Now it is question time. Don't forget, in this class, we have done a quick revision of what we have been learning. We revised multiplication of two-digit numbers that end with 1. And this strategy is only applicable to multiplying two-digit numbers in which both of them end with 1. We've also learned more about odd and even numbers and how to multiply odd numbers and even numbers by 5 without using a calculator or without using a pen on the book. And right now, we just learned how to multiply two-digit numbers by 11 faster. All right? So it is question time. Stars time. Question time. It is stars time. Now, the first question. This first question will give you 3 stars. This first question will give you 3 stars. Okay, if you can hear me, please type 7 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 7 in the comment section. Michelle, please stop chatting with other people in the comment section. Faith, stop chatting with other people in the comment section. Listen to your teacher only. Jemima, stop chatting with other people in the comment section. Pay attention. If you can hear me, type 7. All right, thank you. Thank you for typing 7. Now, this question will give you 3 stars, and it depends on how fast you are. So, I believe you're going to be fast. What is 92 times 11? Type your answer in the comment section. What is 92 times 11? Don't forget that I'll be giving out 3 stars. What is 92 times 11? Amazing. So I'll be calling the names of those who got the answer right. Don't forget to type your name. Fola is correct, followed by Ifeanyi Chukwu, followed by the child with Olumati Anthony, followed by Amara, followed by Austin Funyi, Uwa Jubilant, followed by Luke Uwakwe, followed by Soulbox, followed by Chinazam Grace, followed by France Izukane. Make sure you type your name, followed by Timileyin Aremu. Yes. Followed by Jemima. Please listen to only your teacher and not to anyone in the comment section. Okay, so I can see lots of correct answers. So if you typed 1012 as your answer, give yourself 3 stars. If your answer is 1012, give yourself 3 stars. Okay, so how do we do it? Write 9 and 2 with a space in between. Add 9 and 2 together. That will give you 11. All right, so write only 1 at the center. Carry 1 over. 1 that was carried over added to 9 will give us 10. Then 1, then 2. So the answer is 1012. Don't forget to give yourself 3 stars. Now the next question. What is 45 times 11? This question also gives 3 stars. What is 45 times 11? What is 45 times 11? Awesome. This is awesome. 45 times 11. Jemima is correct. Damilola is correct. Bello Samuel is correct. Tijani Ganiya is correct. Bello Samuel, you are here to type your answer. Okay, Amara is correct. Olumati Anthony is correct. Precious Udo is correct. Mileyin Aremu, correct. Soulbox, correct. Izukane, correct. Freda, correct. Luke Uwakwe, correct. Evans, correct. Patricia, correct. Elvis, correct. Chinazam Grace, Lovett Ekwase, correct. Goodness and Mercy, how are you? Correct. Shout out to Goodness and Mercy. They have been following this class since the day we began. Good job. Aderonke Famotele, correct. Ima Udo, correct. Jumi, correct. Oyetuga, correct. David, correct. Victoria, correct. And others. I may not be able to mention everybody's name, all right? So if your answer is 495, give yourself 3 stars. If your answer is 495, give yourself 3 stars. All right, so presently we are moving on to mental math drill. Okay, ready? Mental math drill. If you don't listen, you will not be able to do this and you won't be able to give me the answer. So I'll begin to drill you now in mental math. Now, step 1. This is the part A. For this step 1, I'm giving whoever gets the answer right 10 stars. So step 1. Step 1, double 1/2. Make sure you keep your answer. Don't post answer if I don't ask you to post answer. Just follow my instruction. I'm going to give you about 5 instructions. So step 1, double half. Step 2, add 15 to the answer in number 1. If you don't get your answer to number 1 correctly, you will not get the answer to number 2 correctly. Double 1/2. Let's see. Step 2, add 15 to the answer in number 1. Step 3, divide the answer in number 2 by 4. Don't tell me your answer now because we have not gotten the final answer. Divide the answer in number 2 by 4. You have to pay attention to me. If you're going to get 10 stars, you have to pay attention. Divide the answer in number 2 by 4. Step 4. Step 4, multiply your answer in number 3 by 3. Multiply your answer in number 3 by 3. Now, the last step, what is your final answer? Type your answer and type your name in the comment section. Type your name beside your answer. Type your name beside your answer. What is your final answer? Type your name beside your answer. I have 10 stars to give to the first 10 students who get the answer right. Make sure you type your name beside your answer. Okay, so I'll begin to call the names of those who got the answer right. Yes, Fola, correct. Freda, correct. Amara, correct. Enlighten, correct. Tijani Ganiya, correct. Franz Izukame, correct. Oluwakemi Jumi, correct. Ebenezer Oyetuga, correct. Yetunde Bayewu, okay. Damilola Girl, okay. Naomi Princess, correct. Patricia, correct. Sochim, correct. Sharon, correct. David, correct. The student with Gibson Igbo, correct. Wakim Phone, correct. Goodness and Mercy, correct. Abdurrahman, correct. Purity, correct. Angel Niran, correct. Timileyin Aremu, correct. Richard, correct. Muhammad, correct. Jemima, correct. Wow, that's amazing. And if your answer is 12, with Lovett Ekwase, please don't distract Michelle. Michelle, you are not meant to respond to that student, all right? Okay, so if you type your answer as 12, if you type 12 as your answer, give yourself 3 stars. But if I mentioned your name as the first 10, give yourself 10 stars. Now, this next one will be 20 stars. This next one, this part B, will be 20 stars. I'm giving 20 stars to only the first 5 students. So if you know you want to have 20 stars, get the answer right, think fast, do it fast, type it fast. And I'm going to give you 20 beautiful stars. Okay, I think I want to motivate you now. I'm going to bring out the stars to show to you. So you can see the stars on my screen. So it depends on you. You want this beautiful star, then you have to be very fast. So my star is beautiful and it's going to be meant for only those who will get the answer right and get the answer fast. Yeah, here are our stars. For students who will be very fast. The first fast 5 students to type the correct answer. So get ready, get ready. I'm only preparing your mind. Be ready to type fast. Be ready to answer my question correctly. Only those who will be correct will get these beautiful stars. Because you are a star, I am a star. Okay, so how many stars do I have? I have 12 right now. So I need to make more stars. Please pay attention to me, your teacher, not other person. Don't respond to anybody in the comment section, please. Okay, now we have 20 beautiful stars. Yes, that's 4 stars in 5 places. That's 20. Okay, so 20 stars ready for the students who will get this right. So make sure you think fast. Now, step 1. Half of 36. Step 2. Add the answer to 2. Step 3. One quarter of the answer in step 2. Step 4. Reduce the answer in step 3 by 2. Reduce the answer in step 3 by 2. What is your final answer? Type your answer and type your name beside your answer. Let's see who goes with 20 beautiful stars tonight. All right? Do it very well. Think very fast. Type your answer and your name together. I will only call the people who type the answer together. Type your name and your answer together. 20 stars ready now to the first set of students. Half of 36. Add the answer to 2. One quarter of the answer in step 2. Reduce the answer in step 3 by 2. What is your final answer? I am waiting. Who goes with 20 stars? Only those who type their names with the answer will be called. If you don't type your name beside the answer, your name will not be called. So I'll begin now. I've seen the students who type the name first and the answer. I'll start with Jemima, followed by Freda, followed by Enlighten, Fikayo, Fola, making 5, Amara, making 6, Naomi, 7, Sharon, 8, Fikayo, 9, Goodness and Mercy, 10. Fantastic. So the final answer is equal to 3. So if you type 3 as your answer, give yourself 5 stars. Give yourself 5 stars. If I did not call your name, give yourself 5 stars. But if I called your name, give yourself 20 stars. Yeah. 20 stars gone to people whose names were called tonight. Amazing. Congratulations. You have 20 stars if I called your name. I hope you more of mental math classes during holiday beginning from the 29th of July 2024. Make sure you tell your parents to reach out to us at Learning Base Africa and register you now. So this is the phone number of Learning Base Africa. Tell your parents to reach out to us on WhatsApp or give us a call so your parents can register you for the holidays classes. I hope you enjoy the class. Type 500 in the comment section. Type 500 in the comment section. Amazing. So thanks for attending the class. See you some other time.